G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, it's cold, wet, miserable in Adelaide, heading into winter, can't do anything. So my video output is going to drop quite a bit for the next couple of months. And I thought, well, that's it for a little while. Even the Banggood reviews will be cut back, it's just too cold to be down here. Anyway, that did change today because I got a parcel delivered from Tasmania, from a viewer down there, Bill Baggins, who contacted me and wanted to send me a couple of small items, he said, as a thank you for doing YouTube, which was very nice of him. And normally I don't do this, but anyway, I relented and said, okay, if you want to, here's the address. And anyway, today it arrived. So now, I mean, I don't know what's in the box, I haven't got a clue. I don't know what Bill does in his workshop, so maybe it's something he's made or got, or no idea. So we'll move on and I'll open the box and see what Bill's about. Hang in there. So here's the box opened up and there's a letter, and I'll have a read through it and tell you what it says. Basically the letter from Bill thanks me for the time and effort I put into doing YouTube, which was very nice of him to say. And he's enclosed a couple of homemade knives that he's done for me, which is totally unexpected. I didn't know Bill did knife making, and in fact I didn't know what Bill actually did with his workshop, except that I know that it burnt down a while back and he had to make a new one up, and he sent me some photos of the new workshop and it looks pretty good. He's got some beautiful lathes and a really big one and a small one. Great setup. So yeah, look, thanks Bill. So there should be 2 knives in here, and he sent me some raw materials in case I want to have a go at knife making. I know a lot of people do knife making, and no, I've never had a go at it. It's something that's, yeah, maybe one day I will. I'll see anyway. But thanks Bill. We'll have a look in the box and see what we've got. Thanks a lot. Oh, so here we go. Free plastic. So we've got some timber here. Actually, get rid of the plastic. So this would be, so this is olive wood. Native olive for handles, I expect. Bit of packing timber. Wow, this looks nice. Myrtle. Nice. Yeah, a bit of electrical tape to pack it out a bit more, I suppose. Thanks, Bill. Huon pine. Yep. Good stuff. In the old days they used to make a lot of furniture out of Huon pine. Comes up beautiful when you work it and polish it, and yep, great. What have I got here? Brass. Oh, this would be for the handle. You can dress it up with brass, I would expect. Stuff, always handy. Some metal for pinning the handles, I expect. I'm no knife maker, so I'm only guessing here. Same thing again, brass I would expect for pinning the handle. And some suitably hard steel. Maybe, not sure. I'll have to reread the letter and see what he sent me. He did say what he sent me in the way of steel. But yeah, that would be for the blade. Wow, that would be a mean old knife. Playing cards.
Trust Bill. Oh well, there you go. Now, the two knives. One's got a sheath and one doesn't. Wow, beautiful. Have a look at that. Ooh, that is fantastic. Wow, well, look at the finish. Wow, look at the sparkle on that edge. That's incredible. Wow, thanks Bill, that's amazing. This is the knife he says in the letters, just for general workshop use. Wow, that is so sharp, you could shave with that. That, he's even got a little bee on there, look. Amazing, amazing stuff. What can I say? That's incredible. Thanks Bill, amazing. This is what I have been using. Hell of a difference. Have a look at it. Gee, incredible. And this one's got a sheath, apparently. Wow. Look at this. Wow, how good's that, eh? Have to watch that cut myself. The other one was razor sharp and this one will be too. Look at that. Gee. That's amazing. Some hours of work gone into that for sure. That's just incredible. Wow. When I did a lot of shooting, years gone by, I did a lot of rabbiting. This would have been perfect for skinning out rabbits and, you know, dressing them. This is the sort of knife that we would have used, or we did use. I've still got an old one around somewhere. I've been shooting rabbits for quite a few years. And, well, there aren't hardly any rabbits around now. The Khaleesi's taken them out. But yeah, that's a great dressing out knife, really good. When Bill said he'd send me a couple of items, small items, that I find useful, and use them pretty regularly, I had no idea what was coming. And wow, you know, I know, yeah, knife making is very, very popular these days. Some fantastic examples around, and these are as good as I've seen. I mean, he's just done a superb job on these. Really, really good. That's way beyond what I'd have the patience to do. But then again, I never tried. I'd have to give it a go. I mean, certainly the finish is, yeah, incredible. Thanks, Bill. What can I say? It's incredible. You know, I just do YouTube basically to hopefully improve people's lives a bit, show a bit of interest out there, and maybe help the population pick up some tips here and there and share a bit of knowledge. You'll never see Patreon on my website for good reason, because there's a lot of people out there and they've got tough times. It's not just the coronavirus, it's just hard living at the moment for a lot of people, particularly in the USA. They're generous people, and I get contacted by them occasionally wanting to send me stuff, and I always try to steer them away from it because they need the money more than I do. With Bill, I gave him the option. I said, well, look, you know, that's how it is, but if you feel you want to send me something, well, okay. And being in Tasmania, it's not that far away, I suppose, so yeah, we went with it. In the end, I mean, wow, I'm blown away. So all I can say to Bill is thank you very much. I'll try and make it up to you in some small way, and yeah, watch your mailbox. There could be something coming through your way. in the not too distant future. Well, that's it from me. I hope you all got a kick out of this. I certainly did. And it just shows there are some incredibly decent people in the world. It's not all doom and gloom. And, yep. That's it for now. See you next time. Cheers.